In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to solve multiplying fractions using the area model of multiplying fractions. Okay, so in this first one, we have 1/4. So I'm going to use that and put it up here as 1/4. And I'm going to draw 4 lines. 1, 2, and we have 4. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and shade in 1/4 of that. I'm going to go ahead and shade 1/4 of that. I'm just going to shade them like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and do 1/2. I'm going to do 1/2 like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and shade that on diagonal lines with a different color. Okay. And then we're going to see how many sections overlap between 1/4 and 1/2. And as you can see, you only see one of them overlapping, as you can see right here. This is the only one of the box that overlap. So that right there is going to be your numerator. Your numerator is going to be 1. Okay? There's only one overlap. And then you can go ahead and just count how many boxes you have in total, so that can give you your denominator. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 8 boxes. So your answer is 1/8, using the area model of multiplying fractions. Now we're going to do for number 2, we have 5/6 times 2/5. Okay? We're going to go ahead and do the same thing as we did on problem 1. We're going to put 5/6 on top. And we're going to go ahead and do 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And once again, just go ahead and shade how many? 5. So we're going to go ahead and shade 5. And then we're going to go ahead and use 2/3. And that's going to be here at 2/3. And we can go ahead and split 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3. And then again, we're going to go ahead and use different color and shade in 3 and 2. And then we're going to see all the boxes that are going to go as sections that overlap. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and count now how many boxes overlap. You see here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's going to give us our numerator, which is 10. And then we're just going to count all of our boxes, and that's going to give us our denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. But we have, right away, I noticed that our fraction is 10/18. And I know that right away we can simplify that. We can simplify that, and we're going to go ahead and use what's the greatest common factor for that. And the greatest common factor for that is 2. So I know 2 goes into 10 5 times. And I know 2 goes into 18 9 times. So our answer is going to be 5 over 9. On the last example, go ahead and try to do it yourself. Pause the video, try to go ahead and do it. And then after that, go ahead and put play and see if you got the same answer as I did. If not, check where you did your mistakes. And remember, keep on repeating and watching the videos and examples if you need help on all the videos that you need help on. And don't forget to share the video with some of your friends that need the help. Okay? So the first one, we have 2/5. So again, we're just going to put 2/5 here. And then we know we're going to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, and yes, the lines are not even, does not matter. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we know right away we're gonna shade how many? The top, your numerator says 2, so we're gonna go ahead and shade 2. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and put 1/3. So we're gonna go ahead and do 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, and then it's telling us to shade in one of them. So we're just shading 1. After that, we're gonna see how many sections overlap between 2/5 and 1/3. So we're gonna go ahead and circle. You see there is 1 and 2. There's no more overlays other than that. So that 2, 1, 2 is gonna be our numerator, which is gonna be 2 over, and then all you have to do is go ahead and count how many boxes you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So 15 is going to be our denominator. So our answer is 2 over 15.